Welcome to my comprehensive review of LearnVest, the personal finance app designed to help you take control of your finances. From the moment you land on their homepage, you're greeted with a sleek, professional layout that immediately conveys a sense of reliability and expertise. The site emphasizes financial education, making it clear that LearnVest isn't just about budgeting but also about empowering users with knowledge. Once you sign up, the platform offers a tailored approach to money management. It starts with a quick financial assessment that analyzes your income, expenses, and savings. Based on your input, LearnVest generates a personalized financial plan, which is a standout feature. Unlike generic budgeting tools, this plan includes actionable steps to achieve your short and long-term financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a house, or planning for retirement. The dashboard is intuitive and easy to navigate. You can link your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios, giving you a consolidated view of your financial health. One of the features I appreciate most is the budgeting tool, which categorizes your spending automatically. You can see exactly where your money is going each month, helping you identify areas where you can cut back. Another impressive feature is the LearnVest Financial Planner service. For a one-time setup fee and a monthly subscription, you gain access to a certified financial planner who works with you to refine your financial plan. The planner provides professional insights and ensures your financial strategy aligns with your life goals. This human touch sets LearnVest apart from many other apps that rely solely on automated tools. LearnVest also shines in its educational resources. The site offers a library of articles, videos, and interactive tools covering a range of topics like debt management, investment strategies, and tax optimization. These resources make financial literacy accessible to users at all levels, from beginners to more advanced investors. However, LearnVest isn't without its drawbacks. The app lacks some advanced investment tracking features that might appeal to more seasoned investors. Additionally, the financial planner service might not be cost-effective for users with simpler financial situations. Despite these minor issues, LearnVest delivers tremendous value for anyone looking to organize their finances and gain a clear picture of their financial future. In conclusion, LearnVest is a powerful tool for anyone serious about improving their financial health. Its combination of automated tools, professional advice, and educational content makes it a standout in the world of personal finance apps. Whether you're looking to budget better, save more, or just learn how to handle your money smarter, LearnVest could be the right fit for you. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.